Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be demoing the Super Squat machine. This machine provides structure to your lower back and gives you something to breathe and brace into. This allows you to lift a little bit heavier than your core would allow you to lift if you were doing something like the barbell back squat. This machine has an elevated front foot, meaning it reduces your overall dorsiflexion, which changes the dynamics of the exercise. Like a normal squat, the top half works mostly the quadriceps, whereas the bottom half works mostly the glutes. You want to go to a depth that is comfortable for you, and you don't want to feel pain in your lower back or your knees. Your back and your feet are fixed in position, so you must find a range and foot position that is comfortable for you while still getting the engagement that you want to feel. For myself, I want to plant my feet with my foot tripod and create tension or torque force through my hips to keep the knees away from the midline of my body. Before I lift the weight, I take a deep diaphragmatic breath and brace my core before I go through the eccentric portion of the lift. This allows me to transfer the energy from the ground through my body better. It starts with the intrinsic muscles in your foot, then goes through to your calves, your quads and hamstrings, powered through the glutes into the rectus abdominis, your core, and pushing into the upper back to create tension in this exercise. When I'm doing this exercise, I focus on what muscles that I'm engaging and when, keeping my body in the prime position for generating the most amount of force and engaging the muscles that I want to engage. A quick recap. This exercise is fantastic for working the quads and the glutes, but I treat it as more of an output exercise similar to the leg press. You can lift heavier on this exercise, but it is not a skill-based exercise like the traditional barbell back squat. If you found this video useful, hit that subscribe button below and turn on post notifications, and let me know what exercise you want to see me demo next. Until next time, see you later.